The Unleashed Sales Growth module is here, and it's packed with killer features all designed to amplify your revenue and support your sales staff. First and foremost, I have to call out the quoting tools. With Sales Growth, you can build really functional deal-winning quotes with, for example, an option A, B, and C all neatly itemized, and each with an Accept Now button that creates an order in Unleashed. You can make time-limited deals to help tip those decisions in your favor. And of course, you can create and save beautiful templates to make quoting really efficient. These are very simple tools, but extremely effective. In fact, when we analyzed over 1 million quotes issued by our customers last year, Sales Growth's quoting tools increased the rate at which they were accepted by 37%. And that simple improvement alone added, on average, an extra $361,000 of revenue for each customer. So we're really excited to be able to bring that kind of benefit to you at such a low price. Now, the second set of tools I want to call out are all about pipeline management. Deals coming up, what stage they're at, who's assigned, timelines, conversion rates. Super useful for both day-to-day task management and visibility in sales, but also for that bigger picture view of your sales pipeline. Where is revenue looking thin? When do you have lots of deals likely to land all at once? How confident are you in your sales forecasts? Very, very useful tools. Finally, I should call out the lead management features, which are perfect if you're out there finding and working contacts to get them to that quoting stage. Ideal, for example, if you're working trade shows, chatting to lots of tire kickers, then sifting through them afterwards to land those deals. So altogether, huge amounts of value there, and as mentioned, extremely competitively priced. We've designed it to be accessible to every size of business. So no matter how small or large your team, we're confident you'll find this module absolutely invaluable for capturing more business and generating more revenue. To get started, you can try it for free by starting a trial here, or simply add it to your account.